Sai. Fun. Sai. Fun.
Sai. Sai.
Fun. Go. Long. Short. With. Up. Down. Fast. Trade. Psycho. Psycho. Operating. Logic. Psycho. Psycho. Calculating.
Sai fun.
The flow moves. We execute. The flow moves. We execute. Short. Long. Up. Down. Side. Fun. Psycho. Precision. Trade. Win. Psycho. Fast. Now. Psycho. Sai. Fun. Sai. Fun.
Sai. Sai.
Fun. Go. Long. Short. With. Up. Down. Fast. Trade. Psycho. Psycho. Operating. Logic. Psycho. Psycho. Calculating.
Sai fun.
The flow moves. We execute. The flow moves. We execute. Short. Long. Up. Down. Side. Fun. fun, Sai, fun,
Sai. Sai.
fun. Go, long, short, win,
Fair.
up, down, fast, trade,
Fair.
psycho, operating, logic, psycho, calculating,
Sai fun.
the flow, moves, we execute, the flow, moves, we execute, short, long, up, down, side, fun. Psycho, precision, trade, win, psycho, fast, now, psycho. Psycho.
Alrighty. Welcome everybody to the Trader Fade. But we have a special program today. It's not about just trading or fading. There's a few more things that we have to introduce. The points program. But as usual, we have Ajmal here. We have Stop Loss, the usual suspects. But also we have a special guest today. Her first time on here. It will be Corinne. Corinne, the person who is in charge of the business ecosystem. She's a business ecosystem lead, sorry. And if you got a product idea or a partnership pitch, and if you want to bring Sai into your local community, she's the person you have to talk to. And today she's pulling back the curtain on the points program, how it works, and what it rewards. So before we jump into this, we have a series of rapid fire questions. But before anything else, how are you doing, Corinne? Am I saying your name right, Corinne?
Yeah, I mean, you can also call me Coco, but my name is Kareen. I feel like
Dang, I
no
keep
matter
messing that
where
up.
I am, everyone messes it up, but that's okay. Thanks for the intro. Yeah, so I'm the BD lead here at Sai. So I've been working behind the scenes trying to get as many traders to come to Sai as possible. But yeah, I'm ready for the rapid fire questions when you are.
Oh yeah, definitely. All right.
All
Cool.
right. Okay. What was your best trade of the year?
Shorting Bitcoin at 125K.
Wow. Amazing.
That's
She knows her Bitcoin, guys.
That's the one you see it screaming up that high. You're like, this guy, it can't go any higher. It's like,
Yeah.
gotta short that shit. And how did you feel after that trade?
Oh, amazing.
You're like, Coco's in the building. We gotta go to the clubs.
Yeah, Big Boss is here, ready to play.
Heck yeah.
And your worst trade?
buying SpaceX.
Like everyone.
That was just stupid. That was just like, what if? What if?
You know,
But why?
everyone wants
Like-
a little skin in the game, so
Yeah.
What was your
Okay.
intuition in buying SpaceX? Like your first thought before?
Like,
Right.
what if it pops and I would just feel so stupid
Ah.
if I just wasn't in it? But I knew that there was a high probability of it just like not working out. So I knew it was
Okay.
stupid.
all right, next question.
Okay,
Will Ethereum
yeah.
reach 3,000 before the Clarity Act passes?
Probably not.
Are you invested in gold?
I'm in and out of it.
Can a trader be profitable without using technical analysis?
You can.
Is trading probability based?
Yeah.
Can a trader turn $100 into $1,000 trading perps?
For sure.
Do you think we're in an AI bubble?
Yes.
Are we in
Hesitant,
a-
yes.
Are we in a bear market, bull market, or short-term bull market?
I think we're still in a bear market.
I think so. All right, those are our questions for you. Little
Pew, pew,
icebreaker.
pew, rapid fire. Sorry, I have to do that. Yeah, I guess before we do anything, would you like to bless us with a trade today?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Let's get the Sai charts up. Ooh, look at that spinning wheel. Oh, never mind.
All right, so we got the chart up. What would you like to trade today?
Well, I know Sai has so many different markets. I mean, I could really choose anything: crypto, stocks, commodities. Even Pokemon has been really cool lately. But you know what? I like the Bitcoin chart, how it's looking today, given the amount of activity that we've been seeing in the Bitcoin market. I mean, Bitcoin's risen in price like crazy. So I think that means it's time to short it. What do you guys think?
Ooh, yeah. It is on 80K. That is the recent highs, right? So I think
Yeah.
it could be
I
a
mean,
short
yeah.
for sure.
I did just say we are still in a bear market, so I think it's probably time to short.
Short.
Yeah, it looks like it's starting to form a little red candle too on the 5-minute. So let's try to catch the short. All right, so we let our guests trade with $200 at 15x leverage.
Oh, wow. That's sick.
Okay, so we're gonna short, do a market order just to get in right away.
I saw 151 leverage, but then it was corrected. I was like, man, I should go mega.
We
for
can
this
do
one.
20. We'll give her a little bit more leverage.
Just be a little bit
Stop.
degen with it.
Mhm.
I want to say let's not use a stop loss for this because we want to let it just kind of run for a bit. Because sometimes our stops are a little bit too tight, so we don't want to get stopped out too early.
Hmm.
And take profit. What would you like your take profit to be?
Where are we? I don't know. Let's say I would like to make at least $50. Let's see.
Okay. All right, so we'll just let this order go through. We'll update your take profit in a bit.
$50. That
So
would
unique
be-
added this. Go ahead.
Oh, go ahead. No, I entered the view. Sorry.
Oh, so I was saying that Unique added this feature here where it shows you like when the transaction is processing, so that you know that's pending. You can go ahead and open another trade. So this is a cool little feature that he just
Oh, cool.
added recently.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah,
no
we've been doing a
progress.
lot of work to make the UI like super fast, very intuitive. So I'm really happy to see like everything that we've been doing behind the scenes get like published, because sometimes you're so caught up in like, oh, what's actually on the roadmap that you forget what's actually live. So it's like, oh, this is so exciting.
We're doing this live.
Yeah.
All right,
Let's
I'm not
see,
sure
with
why
that
it's taking so
$50.
long.
Oh, yeah.
Still going through. Yeah, let's come back and visit this page in a little bit, and then we can get started with the questions.
I'll say Coco with the $50. What would you do with that? That money.
Honestly, that'd probably just go towards my coffee budget at this point.
$50 coffee? What?
Well, I drink I like going to cafes a lot.
Okay.
So I have some I don't know, I have coffee money. So that'll just be my coffee money.
What's that one fancy one? Kopi Luau? Kopi. Is that
So,
right?
Oh yeah.
how many coffees you drink per day? Like
I don't
on
drink
average?
that much. Like
Oh,
I
okay.
just drink maybe 2 nice cappuccinos.
Yeah.
Ah, nice. The nitro one. The nitro boost for sure.
Yeah, I love a nitro.
All right. Is everything already on your end, stop loss?
We're just gonna let the trade process, but let's go ahead and get those questions in about the points program because that's why everyone's here right now.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
She gives a TLDR on the Sai Points. So there's a points pool. Do traders get a share of it based on the percentage of the total points they earned that season?
Yeah, of course. Points, how they're working is every single dollar of trading volume that you do within the season, you get a point. So depending on the proportion of points that you get, that's going to be proportional to your rewards.
Oh, perfect. And sorry, I was gonna ask this question earlier too. Give me the TLDR and the points program itself. Sorry, that was number one, but I kind of mixed up everything.
Yeah,
Forgive me
no,
on
that's
that one.
okay. We can take a step back. So for the points program, as I said, you earn $1, 1 point for every dollar in notional trading volume. So let's say you're doing $100,000 in volume in 1 week. That's equivalent to 100,000 points. But what's really cool is that we also have separate tiers. So we have Normie, Degen, Maniac, and a Psycho tier. So each of them have a different volume threshold. So the first one, 7.5K in volume, 50K, then 250K, then $1 million in volume. So if you're over these volume thresholds, you actually get a bonus in the total amount of points that you get in the season. So if you're doing the 250K tier in weekly volume, you get an additional 7.5% bonus over your entire season points. So each week we created these activity tiers to know what bonus you're going to qualify for once the season wraps up. And we add up all those bonuses and we give it to you at season end. So the season is basically more volume, more points. It's pretty straightforward. And the points convert to USDC trading credits.
Oh, awesome! Shoot, and I see that their traders qualify for a weekly bonus based on their volume. For
Yeah.
example, 7,500 in trading volume qualify for a normie, right?
Mhm.
Who can receive 2.5% extra points per active week? Can you elaborate on what points are staying active? I guess it is trading every single day.
I mean, not necessarily in this case. We made it even simpler than that. All we care about is your volume. So if you happen to do
Yes.
7.5K in volume in one trade, then by all means, you've qualified for that weekly bonus. But you can also split up into multiple smaller trades across that week to get yourself to the 7.5K threshold.
Okay, cool. I think we're all trying to get the higher volume for sure.
Yeah.
Awesome. Is there a 10% referral rate fixed regardless on how much volume the referred trader does, or can that change?
So the 10% referral, so let's say you have a friend that also is into trading and wants to come on Sai, you can refer them and you get 10% of their points as well. So let's say they bring in 100K of volume, you get 10% on their 100K because since it's a one-to-one on points to volume, that's what you would be getting.
I think I'm going to be referring Asmal.
A follow-up on that question. So you already have when I use my trading code, I already get normally I get fees percentage of that person, right? So is it on top of that, or is it
Yeah, it would be on top of that as well because whatever is currently in the referral code, This is a bonus on top of it. This is connected to your
nice.
points.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
it
actually
doesn't
cool.
affect anything else.
Okay. So another thing is like, can the trader's P&L impact the points earned?
Yeah, so we do have an aspect as well for P&L. But volume is still going to be the main thing. We just want to see everybody trying the best they can to get a good P&L. But definitely if you're a skilled trader, we're going to give you a little bit of an extra points boost.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
So,
But we're not going to
points-
penalize you if you happen to make a super tragic trade that didn't go your way. We just like to see the effort.
yeah.
Perfect.
So the basic idea is that like the volume is used, but when I have like high P&L because I'm like a trader, I'll get extra. But if I'm losing too much, I won't get the points reduced, right?
Yeah, there's no penalty for that.
Oh, okay. Nice.
We're not gonna torture you guys.
Yeah, I
the
was
points program is supposed to be a benefit.
Yeah.
Awesome. So once USDC trading credits is available at the end of the season, is it withdrawable?
Yeah, so there's going to be a minimum withdraw volume that we're going to check for. It's basically to show that you actually were trading on the platform. But if you're hitting like the high weekly tiers, it's essentially going to be straight USDC that you can withdraw because you're already doing like the minimum volume that we need to say, okay, you can have the USDC funds. So it's basically you're just getting cash at that point.
Oh, awesome. So just keep on trading until you get that cash up.
Yeah.
Awesome. And what are some easy ways to earn points without trading, like connecting X, or what other ways can we do this?
I've actually made it super easy. It's all just trading. So yeah, that's all you have to do. I mean, that's the main thing that we want to be rewarding people for is coming to our platform, letting us know how it actually is. So all the product feedback that we get is super, super helpful, especially since this is a newer DEX. We want to really form a great community and people to actually give us feedback and talk. So we take that really seriously to know about what you guys actually want to see on our platform. So that's why we're incentivizing trading the most, because you're the people or the traders are the people that we actually want to satisfy. So everything is going to the trader.
Oh, perfect. That's awesome. Hope you guys heard that out there in the trading community. Trade your butts off. I think, Ashmal, you have a question, I believe.
Yeah, there are a few questions from the community. So first thing is like, is there a total dollar amount funding each season? So can we tell roughly what will be the points worth for the trading credits?
Not at the moment. That's going to be decided at the end of the season. We just have to determine that the conversion at the end once we know the different types of traders that are participating, how much volume is per tier. So that's going to be left open until we get all the data. But
Okay,
that's an
so
effort
it
to make
depends-
it very fair for everyone
okay.
across the board. Yeah.
Yes.
So the conversion depends on the total number of points made by everyone.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Okay. So do I need to claim the trading credits manually, or is it just show up?
No, it would show up in your account.
Okay. So it will show up as trading credits, right? And then if
Yeah,
I
it
want
would
to
show up in
convert
trading
to
credits.
USDC, I have to claim, right?
Yeah, there will be some sort of claiming function at the season end, but it would be very simple for you to get it. There'll be something within your dashboard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. I think it's already there. Like you can convert there is an option to convert the trading credits to withdraw to USDC.
Oh,
Yeah,
So-
yeah, it's just not available yet because there's no
Yeah.
points been awarded at the moment. So
Yeah, exactly.
Mhm.
So another question is that are there any? Yeah, I think this you already covered this. It's like, are there any volume requirements to meet the
Yeah.
withdraw points? Yeah. So
yeah,
can-
there's going to
can
be
you
a
tell me-
minimum volume. We don't know we haven't decided like the absolute minimum
Okay.
volume yet, but it's going to be in proportion to the amount that you trade. So
Okay.
if you're doing like a certain volume threshold, it's going to be on a sliding scale. So the amount of points you get is also proportional to your volume. So, so with the withdraw volume thresholds.
Yeah, okay. The last question from the community side is that does all the assets earn same points? Because like some of the assets have like low leverage available, so
yeah, it depends on what you want to trade. So you can trade on anything you want. It's all the same amount of points. The reason for this, we were actually contemplating like, oh, trade different markets, get more points, but we want to actually know what you guys want to trade. So that's why we didn't decide to incentivize different markets, because we actually want to know what you care about instead of saying you get more points to go trade over here. For me, that inflates my numbers on like what you care about the most, because if you only
they
want
will
to trade
go for
Bitcoin,
the highest rate.
Yeah, exactly. So I don't want to skew your interest, if that makes sense.
Yeah, it does. Okay, that's all the questions we have on points. Another is when do actually points show up? I think that's
when
from
do
my
the points
side.
show up?
Yeah,
Yeah, the points are going to show up at season end.
So how can I know like how many points I have?
Sorry, I misheard or misunderstood you. The points will just be continuously showing up in your dashboard throughout the season.
Okay.
Yeah, the withdraw in the USDC, that's
Is it
just going to
random?
come at the end. Yeah, as you trade, you see your points live.
Yeah, that's nice. So you just opened like 4,000 BTC, right? Like the volume was 4,000. So it will show up after the trade is opened, right? Or the trade is closed?
Yeah, once you close it.
Okay.
Awesome.
Okay, that's all the questions we have. I don't think we have any.
Are you sure? No, we got 20 more right here. Coco, I'm sorry, we got like a lot. We're gonna give you more.
Oh, okay.
Oh, really? Okay,
No,
keep it coming.
okay,
I'm like ready. I'm so ready for this.
You ready to attack? Like I got
we've
you.
been working.
No, you've been
it's
killing it with
exciting
these
when
questions.
Yeah, it's exciting when the community is actually like asking you questions, because again, I'm very much behind the scenes all the time, working on Sai. So when you actually get to speak to your users, it's very exciting to hear what they have to say. So
Oh yeah, for sure.
please continue posting about our Sai Points program. Share it everywhere. If you ever have any questions, like DM me. I want to know, and I can connect you to the team. So.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully we can have you back on here too, just to either give us some more TM on what's happening on Sai, or just to hang out.
Oh yeah, all the tea I can give it.
Or coffee.
It's piping. Yeah, or coffee.
Awesome. I believe, do we have everything set up correctly on our side? Stop loss. Is everything all good?
I don't know. Maybe it's my computer, but it's not letting me connect my wallet. And so her trade never went through, but if it did, we would be in profit right now.
Really? Oh,
Really?
I know.
is BTC falling right now?
Dang.
Down, yeah.
It's all good. We'll just imagine the profits in our laps. We'll just give you $50.
It's okay, guys. Put it back into the platform.
Oh, wow. Oh man. Well, I guess should we do our usual thing, trade and talk about what's happening in the economy?
Yeah, let's do that for like 30 minutes or so.
Okay, I'm gonna pop off, get back to work.
All right.
But this was so fun.
Oh yeah, it's a pleasure having you. You have a good morning, afternoon, or what is it over there?
It's morning for me.
Oh shoot, happy morning, good morning. TGIF.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, GM, GN, whatever, wherever you guys are. Okay.
All right, yeah.
Happy to have you.
Peace.
Bye.
Bye.
Alrighty, so I guess we'll start off our session to send prayers for those over in Nepal, because that devastation just happened earlier today. So yeah, that's going to be one of the big things that happen in the world. But yes, let's see if after all this, that they have a fast recovery. And
it was like it happened so fast, right? Like you can see the footage of the floods, and it's
man, it was crazy. I never
It
seen anything
was
like
really,
that.
really crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just one of those things you never expect. You never know what happens, but man,
Yeah.
you never expect
When
that
I
to happen.
think of like mental image of like having a flood or like something like similar, it is something like, okay, yeah, it rains a lot and the water slowly rises and everything. This is like boom, 5 minutes.
Yeah, exactly.
It's
This is a big giant wall of water just slamming into you.
yeah, just coming at it.
Yeah, they said it was like 61 meters high or
Yeah.
higher than that.
Oh
I
man,
was
I
like,
don't know.
good grief. But I think that's one of the things. Of
Yeah, I think
anything,
it's
just
called a
gotta.
flash flood or something.
Yeah, it's a flash flood. It was from it was
Yeah.
an ice cap that came down that just caused all that
Oh, okay.
too, which is nuts.
Yeah,
But
it
again,
is.
you never know. I guess you got to make sure, uh, you know, take care of your, say hello and goodbye to your loved ones before anything happens, because
Yeah.
you never know. But to continue forward, what else is happening in the markets? Iran is doing what it
And
needs to
there's
do.
like some feuds with Canada, right?
Oh yeah, well that and China is just saying screw you to America when it comes to the sanctions. That's just hilarious.
Yeah, I was looking through some of the oil things, like the data on oils, and one of
Mhm.
the frightening things about like this thing is that US imports oil, like out of the oil of all the oil US imports, crude oil, 60% is actually from Canada. So if Canada stopped that oil, the price is going to be going high. It's
Oh
not the
boy.
US Iran war, because US doesn't uh, impact the oil. They are not importing from the other places, but it's actually importing from Canada, because the refineries in US, they used very hard oil, and the oil that US is producing is very sweet, like it's not that hard.
Yeah.
So it need better, like the oil it need is actually importing from 60%. Can you imagine? Like that's a huge number, right?
Yeah,
So that is
exactly.
from Canada.
Canada. Oh yeah, I guess Canada has the upper hand.
Yeah.
It's,
But I don't think they will ever, even if there is like a lot of trade things, it's a hard line to cross. If Canada cross that one, like if Canada says we are not importing, like exporting the crude oil to US anymore, it's a full on war after
oh
that.
yeah.
So
Trump has just got to stop doing what he's doing, so he doesn't,
yeah,
that never happens.
yeah, it's a very hard line. They will think more times to like before before doing that. They will think a lot,
Oh
because
yeah.
it's one thing that you cannot do.
Do you, I don't know. I right now I'm kind of. I think the whole thing that Scott Bessent said the whole time, which was basically just an empty threat towards Iran, was
Yeah.
just like, if you're trying to sanction them, why not sanction China? Why not sanction Russia more? I'm
Yeah,
like,
it's
it's the dumbest thing ever. Like he's, I'm like, all right, Scott Bessent, like, we'll let you try to be some kind of like, I don't know.
okay. So when the tariff war started, US even had like there was a country with only penguins there, right? And
Mhm.
US tariffed that one. So don't. It doesn't matter, I think. So it's all on a whim, or like I don't know. I don't know what they are thinking when they do things. So
There's not much thinking. I think they can just try to make empty threats and expect it to just kind of just go their way.
yeah,
But then it's not really going their way because because I think people are smart enough to understand that with like if you're listening, if China's doing it or anybody outside of Iran, they know that they can't do what they threaten to do because of the sense of it just doesn't make sense. And then
yeah,
Trump's been playing this whole game all year, so it's kind of like throw empty threats and then pull it back, throw empty because he realizes that he can't do something that he can't do. He's like, I can't do that thing I just said. Let's walk it back somehow.
So I was actually let me see if I can share the screen. Okay, give me a sec.
No worries.
So this is like a boring stuff because, yeah, there is a lot of bunch of numbers. So this is the report from US Petroleum balance sheet. Basically, it says how many crude oil we have, what is the reserve, and everything. So a lot of people who are actually trading crude, like whatever oil you're trading, you should read these numbers and try to understand. So as number of files we just open the Gemini in the side and ask Gemini what is actually going on in this report, because this is
So
nuts.
confusing.
This
It's a
is
lot.
a lot of numbers. Yes.
Historic
So-
lows. Yes.
Yeah. So this is the headline everyone is seeing. Historic lows of strategic petroleum reserve. Right. So the petroleum reserve is at the lowest level US has in the history. It is down to around 289 million barrels. But one of the things that you have to understand is that it's not the actual reserve. There is much more higher reserve in the commercial side. So the commercial side, it is like 428 million barrels. So it's the double of the reserve. So there is enough crude in that side. But and if you compare with 1 year ago, the strategic reserve was like 400 million 1 year before, and right now the commercial was 1 year before is like 418. Now we have like 428. So it's like overall it's kind of thing, like it doesn't have changed. So another thing, if you want to look, is like total stock of all the oils and everything US has have not changed much. So 1 year ago, it was 1,258. Right now it is like 1,245, even though 1 year ago the strategic reserve was half. So these are the numbers you can see, but there is too much numbers. This is like a big stuff. You have to, in order to get some truth, you have to ask Gemini basically.
Gemini basically breaks it down and tells you this is what's really happening.
Yeah, open this and then you can ask Gemini. It says some few things, basically the same thing: historic lows, diminished shock absorber. Because like if there is a supply shock, like for example, if Canada says we are not giving crude oil anymore, then the strategic reserve will diminish very fast, right? So that is the downside of this. But another thing is like there is distillation deficit that is happening, which is very slow. It's not like a very fast stuff, but it is slowly there is like the distillate from the gasoline. Another thing is also that import is slowing slowly, and another thing is the import is slowing, but the demand is increasing. So the demand increased by 1.4 million barrel per day. So this is the whole stuff so far. It's not just because of the historic SPR, strategic reserve, but the import and export, there is like the import of crude is decreasing, but the demand is increasing. So I think there will be increase in oil prices slowly, but not peak rapidly. But this can happen. But if anything, if Canada says we are going to not send crude oil, then things will change. So sure, I don't think no one is talking about that one. So I don't think that's a huge thing right now. But if Trump threatens or like have more feuds with Canada, they can do that. So that's one of the thing in their end. They won't tell or make any threats, I think, so far on the crude, because for any news I've not seen anything something like that. But it's the secret weapon I think they have.
Oh, I would say one thing you should ask: how much control of Venezuelan oil does Trump have? Because he keeps saying he has control over their oil, but I don't think he does.
Yeah,
because I think that's one factor he keeps bringing up. I'm like, is that something we should be thinking about? But our reserves are going low, but we're supposed to be taking this taking, I guess, his the Venezuelan oil, which would add on to reserves. I'm not sure.
I
Do you
don't
think we
think
have
it will add
this?
on to the reserves. It's really difficult. But the whole point is like it's you don't trust. Like I don't trust basically the words coming out from anyone, but I also don't trust the headlines. So that's why I go deep
Same.
in these numbers, right? So
Mhm.
because this is published, this was published 21 on August 21st August, and like this was for 21st August. It was not published on 21st. I think it was published 2 days ago. So yeah, you can go read through this and understand what is actually happening. This is like if Venezuelan supply is included, it will be included here because it's not there. So yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
Anyways, what about other things?
Oh, well, we got
What is
like well, the PPI numbers have been kind of nuts when it comes to the European PPI.
okay.
That went up actually. Let me see. Am I wrong or right? Which PPI am I thinking of? Oh boy, oh sugar, where'd it go? Oh, you can see my screen. Oh, hey, ho, hee ha, hee ho, hee ha. Sorry. Anyways, we are here on
Yeah.
the 27th, and the PPI for France actually went up. Sorry.
Hmm.
And European, so France PPI went up from -0.4 to 1.1. So inflation is going up on their side, and year over year it also went up from 2.8 to 3.4. So inflation data from that end, it seems like it's going to start rising throughout the rest of the PPIs and CPIs for other countries. We went from I guess PPI went down for oh my god, for South Africa. I just pressed on right there. But again, we'll see how the rest goes. Jobless numbers came up, so we have less people filing for unemployment, which is good. But again, we had a thing where Trump, like you said, don't trust it because Trump got rid of the person who was actually writing down the honest numbers and replaced it with somebody else. So I really don't know if I really trust that.
And we had this time where after the first publishing, they changed the numbers in the second week or something.
Yeah, exactly. It's pretty like anything else. It's always just kind of like these numbers are not honest at all, really, not 100%. Again, it's just probably because he wants these numbers to look good for the coming up midterms. And so, but again, numbers aren't going to be great, I think, in real life, because people are not happy in the States. I think the other thing to get ready for is for France's inflation, because that's coming around the corner. But this Saturday and Friday are our Saturday of the United States is Friday. The Fed chair is going to be speaking about what? I do not know. Let's see if we can play. Federal Reserve left our federal fund rates unchanged. Oh yeah, so he's going to probably talk about the unchanged rates. But again, if we see inflation just go up again, he can't be playing that same song. Like he said he's tough on inflation, but inflation keeps going higher, then he has to tighten. That's what the Feds do. So he has to raise rates, which Trump doesn't want. So Trump has worse under his fingers right now. So he's like, if you raise it, I'm gonna squish you. So we'll see what's up. But yeah, that won't be till, I guess we won't get CPI data until, when do we get CPI data? There's European. Where's our US one?
US.
US is.
So we officially crossed 40 trillion debt, right?
Oh yeah, that's a
milestone, historic.
And guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna raise the debt ceiling. They're gonna vote for it.
Definitely. I think we have right now 42, 43. I forgot.
Oh, for the debt ceiling?
Yeah, ceiling is right now at 43 trillion.
Yeah. I wonder how much you're gonna raise it up to. 50 trillion.
No, I think we will wait until like it crosses like 41 or 42, and then we'll go to Congress and say, yeah, we have to raise the debt ceiling, and then might be like 48 or something, like
Mhm.
add a 5. That's usually the thing. So, but
Yeah, I wonder why
I'm
we
also
keep.
more interested in like credit rating of US. Like if things fall very high, the credit rating of the US government will they will demote, and it can go from like a good rating to a bad rating. Even if it loses 1 point, then things will be very hard for like creditors to give money to, and a lot of stuff can happen. So it'll be very
Oh,
now itself it is very hard for the US to get, because the bond rates are high. No one is lending money to US, right? So
yeah, exactly. Yeah, we're in deep pockets for sure. I think who has the majority of our debt? I think it's China, Japan, and a few other
Japan,
countries.
yeah, Japan
Yeah.
has very high. But yeah, things will get much difficult if credit rating. I don't think it will happen very soon, and if it happens in Trump's time, then Trump will threaten the credit agency. Definitely.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
He's
low,
gonna be like,
take it back, or otherwise we'll do something. So, now
yeah.
we have chance. Let's go. For BTC, BTC has been rising nicely. It went up to 81 something, 8150 a few days ago, 2 days ago, right? The last highest.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's way up there now, even.
Yeah.
So look at that. It's been making almost higher highs every day.
Yeah.
Well,
And
except for
if you
Tuesday.
zoom out a little bit, you can see it's see from last 2 months ago. Yeah, it's almost at the same high. That's a very strong sell zone. That one, yeah.
Oh, for sure. Now let's mark up the charts here. What's horizontal line? Let's do this. So yeah, this would be a great place to start legging into short.
Yeah.
Leg into, and you know what? I would, short big here. Literally what I would do. What are you doing? Oops. Sorry, I was talking to my cat that I don't have. Okay.
Yeah, we all have that imaginary cat.
I promise I'm not going insane. It is like 2 a.m. over here, so.
Okay.
So Bitcoin is doing really well. Let's look at gold really quick, because so gold has been cooling off a little bit here.
Yes, it has.
I was just doing some analysis from January, the high here. Okay, so there's quite a bit of resistance at the 47,000 area. This is where I would start adding to my short. Like I did, it's not connecting my wallet, but I think it's my browser. Like I probably have to restart my computer. I've been having a lot of issues today. So here's a good area to start shorting. And then you don't want to put all your money in here in case it does go a little higher. So you always want to leave a little bit room. But there are major rejections at this very specific level. So I started shorting gold a little bit early. As of today, I'm only down, I think, $70 on our Sai account. When I was trading gold last week, I get in and I get out and I scalp it, and I'm very quick about it. But Sai, I probably should have put a stop loss instead or taken the profits when I was in the green, but I didn't. But gold, yeah, I like gold. The miners have rallied a lot off of it. So like specifically, I like looking at Newmont here, which is not tradable on Sai here. But as you can see, it had made an all-time high back in January when gold and silver made all-time high. And now it's back at those levels. So if gold kind of retraces from this current level, I'm expecting these miners here to also pull back. So I was looking to enter a short, actually on my personal account, not financial advice, but I started adding to a short here.
Yeah.
I'm going to take an example here. So yeah, there's some gold miners that are worth looking at. But let's look at the queues.
Hmm.
Okay, so queues are making from June, from this recent high, it's making a lower high. It is above the 9 EMA, so I think there's room for it to go up a little bit before
Yeah.
coming down. I just think that markets are going to stay bullish for a little bit until midterm elections in November. Like it's Trump's goal to prop up the market, and especially with the Anthropic IPO coming up.
Yeah.
I forget, are
That
they
was
launching?
actually my question.
Yeah, the markets have to be very bullish for that to set up nicely.
Hmm.
So starting to
So what do you
curl up.
think like Anthropic can be? Like, will it be another SpaceX? Because there was so much hype for
Like,
SpaceX, and
It's-
Anthropic
yeah.
is also doing the same stuff. They are saying, yeah, we are going to be bigger than SpaceX.
Right.
There is
I'm
talk
so
on,
excited to trade that.
yeah, there is
I guess the
talks on like,
valuation is going to be higher. In terms of their float, I actually don't know what the float is going to be. Did you see
Yeah.
any news around that?
not much. Like another thing, like there was so hype on Anthropic. Like there is like unrealistic stuff they're talking. Like I don't know why they are talking something like that. So there is like they might have like AGI or something like, oh yeah, it's 2 trillion valuation.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Where you going? I'm just scanning this while I was listening to you.
Yeah, I was also reading the same thing. So there was something like there will be only one company left, and that will be Anthropic. Those kind of things.
Really, that's
It's
hilarious.
like really funny.
I mean, Anthropic is definitely leading. Like you don't hear about Perplexity more, or what's the other one?
Yes, OpenAI and Anthropic are like have kind of equal footing. But right now, there is more kind of like open source models that have tried to claim their prices. But one thing I know is like, even if OpenAI, like right now, it might seem that you might have like an open model which is like compatible with the current models from OpenAI or Anthropic. They might have like a secret model that's like ready to go when someone releases something big, you know.
Did you hear about what happened to OpenAI? They like have I guess agents that people can test, and I guess the agents started releasing private messages. I like barely saw it in a tweet. I didn't look into it, but seems
No, I
like
didn't see that yet. So
Yeah,
I'll just look
yeah.
into it. Yeah. There is going to be more stories from now on agent side. Like they'll be stealing some information. There'll be like hacking into other AIs and whatnot. So yeah, I and some of the stories will be cooked up because they want these kind of stories to circulate and say that
Really.
our agents are like, and they cannot show the proof, right? We have to believe whatever they are saying. So that's one. But yeah, internally they will have good models. Even like they will have one ready to go at any moment, and they'll be working on one much better model right now. So I think that's how Anthropic is trying to do, and I do think they will release something much good model before their IPO, because they want to take the name and everything.
Right.
So very eager for next few months.
Yeah, definitely. Same here. I'm looking forward to that. And I don't think OpenAI, it doesn't look like they're going to IPO this year, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But that's all right. Let's see. So Coinbase has rallied too off of the Bitcoin and crypto sentiment as of late. I think that Bitcoin could continue going higher, probably up to 82,000. Because the Clarity Act is supposed to pass next month, hopefully. So I think the administration is trying to pump up crypto as a whole as well.
Yeah.
So let's see. Coinbase has been rallying. So Circle as well. I don't know if you saw that earlier. It's probably easier for me to search it. Circle. Oh my god. My keyboard is messed up. Okay.
Yeah.
My whole computer is so bad today. Huh. Okay. Come on, Circle.
CRCL, yes.
Okay, there it is. Okay, yeah, it's on $95. I think it was at like $670 recently.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the daily chart, not the weekly. Okay, so the moment that the 9 EMA started crossing over, I believe this is the 20. Yeah. Started really just kind of taking off here from 67. I just remember looking at 67 and thinking, hey, you should probably like add to your position
Right.
here. And of course I didn't. And now it's at 95. And so it's kind of struggling right now at the 200 EMA, but I think it's going to probably reclaim this EMA, similar to how like Coinbase is doing really well right now. Robinhood as well.
Is there a chance to short Circle, or like is it going to be higher?
I don't, unless you're doing like an intraday scout and just trading the intraday. I think there's an opportunity for that, but I probably wouldn't like short in a very big way until the clarity, like the day of, because it's probably gonna be like buy the rumor, sell the news type of event.
Yeah, makes sense.
So yeah, it actually gapped up Wednesday morning. Oh wait, no, there's just a wick here. Did like a small little gap on the open, it looks like. So yeah, it's traveling up this 9 EMA. So let's just say we were to trade this today, you would let it pull back to the 9 EMA or even VWAP here and enter in your long and just kind of continue riding up until it pulls back. But so far, like just looking at the 4 hour, it's been making higher highs. So the momentum is definitely up. So you don't really want to short a strong momentum unless you see like a trend break on the daily, which we currently don't see yet. But it is hitting up against resistance. I would say like the 200 EMA. Let's see, is there resistance here? Let's double check. Yeah, I would say there's a little bit of resistance at this level here. But I think it's going to easily flip this level here, $96 to support and continue up until like over 100, I would say. That's pretty possible.
Yeah.
Any other charts you guys want to look at before we close out the night or the morning?
Nike.
Yeah.
Nike. Oh man, my poor friend heavily invested in Nike. He's been just like DCAing. And every single week I'm just like, Nike's making a new lower low. Yeah, I just want to touch the stock. Look at it. Let's look at the weekly. Zoom out. This might be the lowest it's ever been. Let's see. Oh wait, no, it's not. Okay, it just keeps falling.
It's a Nike swoosh. To the downside. The complete Nike swoosh down.
Yeah, I mean, if we do enter a recession, like people might stop buying sneakers, so expect more downside. But yeah, this chart looks really ugly. I would not buy Nike.
What's happening with Nike?
Okay, let's see. They moved production to Vietnam after US tariffs on Chinese imports.
But their earnings has been positive, right?
So it looks like they've been having weekly losses.
I'm just seeing the earnings numbers, and it's like,
Oh yeah, Dick's Sporting Good also got slapped in the face these last couple of days. So yeah, it looks like consumer stocks not doing great.
Hmm.
Hmm. I never believe these analysts. predictions.
Yeah.
Okay, very interesting. All right, guys. Anything else you guys want to look at? What about guys in the chat? If you guys have any stocks you guys want us to look at, drop your comments on Twitter or X.
There is nothing really. We know that we're looking at what's it called? The yield, the 30-year, 10-year yield.
Bonds.
Yes. Is that on there? Because I see we're at the yield is at 5.18% for
Oh,
the
yeah,
30,
that's
for
oh
30
yeah,
year.
30.
The
Yes, but
10-year.
20 and 30 year has been over 5% for a minute now. But it'll be interesting to see if the 10-year yield is going to get up there.
Yeah.
Looks like it's kind of cooling off just a tad.
Yeah, on the 12 hours, it looks like it's doing an uptrend from once it hit a bottom. So it should be like going up past those volume. So it looks like it might do pass up there and get back to the 4.7s or 4.75. So if that happens, markets are tanking hard. But I think that might be the weapon. I think against tariffs. I think that's the one thing. Just threaten it with bonds, right?
Yeah, maybe in November it'll go up to 5%.
Mm-hmm.
After the elections.
Yeah, they're trying to keep everything down right now. Like they're trying
Yeah.
really hard.
Yeah, Trump wants the markets to be on stilts, like super hard. And then once that happens,
Yeah. So
yeah,
free up
knows?
money by November and ready to short.
Mhm. No, get ready. As soon as it happens and results come in, that's it. It's just short everything, especially if it goes against Trump, because the markets will be like, "Oh God, we're in trouble. We can't have the free
Yeah.
flow like we had before. No more true social posts."
Yeah, and at that time, I think the Anthropic is in October, right? IPO. Is there a date out for Anthropic?
But for the S1 already, it's looking very likely that'll happen next month, more likely than October.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So it'll be like by the November. It's just 1.5 months after the Anthropic launch. So yes, I think that'd be nice. I mean, there is potential, like after the elections, to everything goes down.
Mm-hmm.
And then once that happens, the cycle continues downside. The seasonal cycle is finally officially in, because that's what it's supposed to happen now. But I think midterms don't make it. It makes it a little funny thing going on. So we'll see what happens after August. September comes around. September downside. November, September, October, November. We'll see. One of those months will be a down month. All the way to December.
Let's see how it goes. And it's all also depends on like the situation with Iran and also on other trade wars, whatever is like Trump intends to do.
You heard him. He's gonna nuke everything. Nuke everyone.
Yeah, it's yeah.
Alrighty.
So I hope if there should not be any other tariff wars coming up, but if it does, things could get bad. Also, if there is like again war with Iran. Oh, by the way, oil went down a bit, right?
Yeah, I think since like Iran and Oman are it works. They're trying to keep the oil down for other countries like China.
Hmm.
So I think that's the reason why oil is down. They're not. It's trying not to spike up to the 110s like it did before. So I think there's some kind of talks with China to help make sure that the oil prices stay reduced, not to the point where it's like ridiculously high.
But if there is another trade war or something happening with other countries, Trump will lose interest with Iran. So he might even forget that Iran thing is still going on. You want something to be occupied, like
Exactly.
anyways, yeah. So let's see how it goes. Hope everyone opens trade and see their points.
Get your points. You heard Coco. Get them points. Start trading. Don't be a normie. Be a Mac Daddy. Where is it? Psycho. Mac Daddy. Be a psycho.
You should have the last layer called Mega, right? MAG. Then everyone should start trading.
Don't be a MAGA.
Be the Mega.
Be MAGA. Yeah.
And charge, like, let's say if you want Mega, I can give you for like $100,000. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
It's just me. Let's get the point. So I hope everyone have their questions answered. If you have any more questions, please let us know in our Discord, or you can ask in Twitter, maybe as a comment. Maybe we'll try to answer as much as possible.
Don't forget, if you're new to Sai, use code season1 for 20% fee.
20% is good.
Yep.
And the most surprising thing for me was like you can get referral points on top of your referrals. So that's actually awesome. Like,
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, whatever they're earning, I get like rewards, and then whatever points they're earning, I'm also getting rewards, like points. Yeah, so that's very, really nice.
So now,
okay, let's see.
Make sure to refer me. I'm gonna send out referrals to everybody. So make sure to give me all those points, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, alrighty, guys. Well, I think we reached the end of the line. Should we listen to the gong and
see you guys next
skedaddle?
week.
Yes. You all have a good night. Happy trading. Make sure to get your points and don't blow up anything, especially your wallets. All right, guys. Take care. Peace.
Bye.
Bye.